Me and Jen are at Ikea in Orlando. This is our holy grail. And anytime we have time when we come to Orlando, we come to Ikea. I'm so excited, like you have no idea. Container store. It's our first time here and we're probably more excited than we should be. It's amazing in here. Oh look, Jen, more clear bins.
Not for $20 each.
I feel like the gates have opened and we're in organization heaven. Jen and I are at the concierge lounge having some tea overlooking the grounds. Our husbands are out there somewhere playing golf. This is like the perfect view. I wonder how the view is from my room. I didn't even check. I've been informed that our view is the parking lot. Oh, all three pools. Jacuzzi in the center there. And over there back in the corner. And over there in that corner. It's beautiful here. The view way out into the wilderness.
Yeah, it's gonna go, you know, it went the other way. But like true champions, like true fighters, like heavyweight champions, they went out and have done something in February, March, and their team has never done it. They'll continued it on in April. And our extreme team member getting the championship belt, Ashley and Diana.
What we do here. Let's go back.
For 15 years now, since I was 19 years old. And through that time, I've witnessed countless stages of growth in him, and each one is super exciting. I've watched him go from baggy shirts, baggy pants, and fitted caps to slacks and button-ups and a ball fade. I've seen him go from listening to nothing but rap CDs to reading self-improvement books. He's already read 5 this year. I'm right behind him with 3, and I'm trying to step my game up. I've watched him develop a stronger and continued relationship with God, which is so exciting to me. He pours everything into our business, and he pours every single thing he has into our team. And you guys don't get to see all the things I get to see. I see the late nights of him creating and practicing presentations and trainings for the team, so it's perfect, and they get everything out of it. I see him brainstorming on making teammates great, figuring out ways to get through to them, to help them get out of their own way so they can go win for their family and make money here. I watch him answer his phone countless times a day because teammates are just trying hard to get just that little bit of something from him to help them make themselves better. But the best part is he's so ready and willing and happy to do all of that for them. And I know he does it for him and for me, so we can have a better life for ourselves and our future family. And I could not be more proud of my husband. And I hope you guys are so ready for his very direct and passionate message he's about to give you. Get your pens and your papers out, guys, and please give it up for my best friend, my husband,
Thank you guys so much. I want to thank God for waking us up this morning and letting us be great one more time. I want to thank Jim Meyer, everything he's done for us. Ian, thank you so much. I want to thank Jason and Jen. They pour everything into us. And I want to thank the Go-Getters once again. They're an incredible team. Without them, we're nothing. So let's talk about developing transferable techniques. Now, what are you transferring? So you make money. You have a license, right? Are you using it? Are you the most fired up person on your team? There's nobody on my team more fired up than me. No one follows a dull, disillusioned, frustrated, daggone crybaby, right? So you gotta be fired up. See, you guys go, if I ever succeed, I'll be fired up. No, get fired up first and you'll succeed. Does that make sense? You have to. But it starts with yourself. So people want to be paid like pro athletes here, but have the work habits of an intramural player. Be a pro athlete, but you do it on Tuesdays only. You must consistently work on getting better. What does that say? Consistently, every day, all day.